Top 5 Chef Coats Reviews. Chef designs men's RK10 pearl button chef coat. Pros: sturdy, made of quality material. Pearl buttons. Offered in black, as well. Cons: runs a bit big, so order accordingly. Some users have reported that the arms are too short. Some have reported that the material was too rough. Chefworks Men's Montreal Cool Vent Chef Coat. With this coat, you won't have to worry about soaking through your clothes from the heat in the kitchen. Constructed out of 1.70, 65/35 poly/cotton light, twill fabric, the Chefworks Men's Montreal Cool Vent Chef Coat will keep you nice and cool throughout your entire shift. If you're looking for a short-sleeved, double-breasted chef coat that comes with cloth-covered buttons, then this coat might just be the one for you. Pros: comes in black and white. Great ventilation. Cons: roomy fit, so make sure to follow sizing instructions. 5-star Chef Apparel 18025 Unisex Short Sleeve Chef Jacket. With the classic look of the 10 black button closure and its stand-up collar, this unisex short sleeve chef jacket will give you the professional appearance that you've been looking for. Ranging in sizes from X×S-5X, this coat will fit any sized chef that you have in your life. This chef coat is particularly wonderful because of its moisture-wicking technology, ensuring that you won't be soaked from sweat in the middle of your shift. Pros: comes in a variety of colors. Lightweight material. Comes with a side pocket for a thermometer. Cons: runs a little big. Some consumers have reported that it's cheaply made. More of a shirt than a coat. Men's short sleeve chef coat with mesh side panels from UA Chef. This men's short sleeve chef coat with mesh side panels is made out of 65% polyester and 35% cotton, making it the perfectly comfortable coat for chefs, line cooks, counter servers, and caterers. The classic fit of this shirt sleeve chef's coat was built with the busy chef in mind. Not only is it extremely durable, but the mesh panels on each side provide a secure and comfortable fit for chefs in an unbearably hot kitchen. The plastic, yet durable, plastic buttons make sure that everything about this coat is as simple as a busy chef needs them to be. There is a pocket located on the chest, and a thermometer pocket located on the sleeve. If you're looking for a lightweight chef's coat that will keep you cool and professional looking, then the men's short sleeve chef coat with mesh side panels from UA Chef is certainly the coat for you. Pros: comes in a variety of colors. Durable. Many users have reported that it's lightweight and breathable. Cons: it's a bit tight around the collar. Durable, but heavy cloth. Chef Coat Men's Short Sleeve Unisex Classic Chef Coat. This imported 60 to 40% cotton/polyester blend chef coat from Chef Code is the essential coat for any professional chef. With its cool and light material, the Chef Code Men's Short Sleeve Unisex Classic Chef Coat is perfect for the hottest of busy shifts in any type of kitchen. Everyone knows how messy working in a kitchen can be. There's gravy bubbling over, grease being splattered, and a million other ways for a chef to get dirty in a kitchen. This durably constructed material is also stain resistant, so there's no need to worry about having to buy a brand new one because you've ruined this one with curious food stains from the kitchen. With a classic look of timeless tradition, this Chef Code Men's Chef Coat has a left chest pocket, as well as thermometer pockets to hold your necessary tools of the trade. Pros: comes in black and white. Breathable material. Classic look. Cons: some users report that you should buy 2 sizes larger than you normally would. The buttons fall off easily. Some say the length is too short. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.